The new normal is digital assets. Here's how to get started with cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets traded on a worldwide market 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You have various alternatives if you want to include cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ether, or Dogecoin in your financial portfolio. A cryptocurrency is a monetary unit. It's a digital token that can be transferred from one party to another but can't be duplicated, says Charles Allen, CEO of BTCS Incorporated. Cryptocurrencies, unlike tangible fiat currencies, such as the US dollar, are decentralized, virtual currencies that may be used to buy goods and services. These assets make use of blockchain technology to ensure that each party's transactions are safe. I don't own anything physical if I have a Bitcoin. I only have a key that enables me to transfer a record or a unit of measurement from one person to another without the involvement of a trustworthy third party. And that's all there is to it. So, if I hold 2 Bitcoins, I can transfer them from one person to another without the need for a trusted third party. This decentralized network of computers from nodes and miners would then verify that transaction. Here's how to buy cryptocurrency, as well as where you can buy it and the various financial vehicles you may use to get exposure to it. Pick a Bitcoin exchange or a broker. If you want to purchase and trade cryptocurrencies, the first thing you need to do is pick a platform. In general, you have the option of using a standard broker or a cryptocurrency exchange that specializes in cryptocurrencies. Traditional brokers, there are a few online brokers that sell cryptocurrency as well as equities, bonds, and ETFs. These platforms have reduced trading fees, but less crypto features. Cryptocurrency exchanges. There are a variety of cryptocurrency exchanges to pick from, each with its own set of cryptocurrencies, wallet storage options, interest-bearing account alternatives, and other features. Asset-based fees are common on several exchanges. Consider supported cryptocurrencies, security features, fees, storage and withdrawal choices, and educational materials while comparing different platforms. Exchanges for digital currencies. A cryptocurrency exchange is a website that allows people to purchase and trade digital currencies. When it comes to purchasing, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies, each exchange has its own set of restrictions. The ideal exchange for you will be determined by your needs, but novices should search for exchanges with straightforward web and mobile interfaces, educational resources, and quick customer service. You can swap one cryptocurrency for another, as well as exchange fiat money, such as the US dollar, for cryptocurrency and vice versa, depending on the crypto exchange. Daily market rates are used to determine prices. Stable coins and non-fungible tokens are also associated with crypto, NFTs. To keep its value consistent, stable coins are supported by fiat currencies such as the US dollar. If it's backed by dollars, you can usually redeem one stablecoin for $1. NFTs, on the other hand, are one-of-a-kind tokens linked to art or collectibles that cannot be traded for other tokens. It's worth noting that not all Bitcoin exchanges support all of them. However, the following exchanges and brokerage firms do. Kraken. Support for more than 50 cryptocurrencies, margin and futures trading, staking, and institutional services are all available. Toro USA. 15+ cryptocurrency assets, wallet storage, copy portfolios, video tutorials, and instructional resources are all available. Binance.us. Over 50 cryptocurrencies, staking rewards, OTC trading, and institutional services are all available. SoFi. Stock and ETF trading without commissions, automated accounts, IRAs, and 20+ crypto assets are all available. Brokerages. Traditional online brokerages that provide cryptocurrency are scarce, but crypto traders are finding more possibilities. Unlike cryptocurrency exchanges, online brokerages typically do not offer as many cryptocurrencies, nor do they provide interest-earning account perks like staking. Crypto exchanges may be a better alternative to explore if you're seeking for a greater variety of assets and account possibilities. So, why should you work with a broker in the first place? If you want to trade multiple asset kinds under one roof, you should go with a broker. In addition to stocks, ETFs, options, bonds, and mutual funds, TradeStation has cryptocurrencies available. Another online brokerage, Robinhood, offers a smaller investment selection, but it does provide commission-free cryptocurrency trading. For trades, TradeStation, on the other hand, charges up to 0.30%. Cryptocurrencies are being offered by more online brokerages, as previously stated. Stocks, bonds, ETFs, options, and mutual funds can all be purchased using online brokerages. IRAs, 529 college savings plans, and trusts are all available through brokerages. Your account must be funded. To begin trading, you'll need to fund your account after deciding on a crypto exchange or online broker. According to Marie Tataboué, Chief Marketing Officer of Gate.io, most crypto exchanges allow customers to acquire crypto using fiat currencies such as the US dollar or the euro using their debit or credit cards. In most cases, Tataboué says, you can make purchases with your Visa or MasterCard credit card. Credit card purchases of cryptocurrency, on the other hand, are extremely dangerous, and some exchanges, like as Coinbase, do not allow them. Crypto transactions are also prohibited by several credit card companies. Cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile assets, therefore risking getting into debt, or paying large credit card transaction fees, for some assets may not be the greatest decision. ACH transfers and wire transfers are two other options that most platforms support. However, the payment methods accepted and the time it takes to deposit or withdraw money vary by platform, and not all exchanges accept credit cards. Furthermore, the time it takes for deposits to clear varies depending on the mode of payment. Coinbase, for example, takes 3 to 5 business days to complete an ACH transaction. Debit card transactions, on the other hand, are immediate, whilst wire transfers might take anywhere from 1 to 3 days. Fees are another consideration. In addition to trading costs, you may be charged for deposits and withdrawals. In addition, the costs you pay to deposit or withdraw money from your account are usually determined by the payment method you use. Coinbase, for example, charges 3.99% on debit card transactions and $10 on wire transfers. Transfers using ACH, on the other hand, are completely free. These costs differ by exchange, so read up on each platform's pricing before getting started. Request a quote. On your broker's or exchange's web or mobile interface, you can typically place an order with a click of a button. If you want to buy cryptocurrency, choose Buy, then Order Type, Quantity, and Confirm Order. For sell orders, the same procedure applies. When it comes to transactions, however, the order type you choose has an impact on the price at which your order is completed. Market orders, limit orders, and stop orders are the 3 types of orders available. In general, if you were buying any other asset, you'd have all of the order options accessible to you. Spot, margin, and futures trading are the 3 most common order types employed by global exchanges, Tataboué explains. Users submit buy or sell orders on the open market, which are honored as soon as the price reaches their predetermined target. Margin trading is when users can trade in larger quantities than they can afford by borrowing funds from others, explains Tataboué. Many exchanges allow a multiple of up to 20 times the trader's capital. Finally, futures trading occurs when two parties agree on a price at a future date for any supported cryptocurrency. Choose a method of asset storage. To protect your cryptocurrency from hacks or theft, keep it in a secure location after you've purchased it. Cryptocurrency wallets are useful in this situation. A cryptocurrency wallet is a physical device or online program that is used to hold the private keys to your coins in a secure manner. Some exchanges come with built-in wallets, allowing you to store your funds directly on the site. However, not all exchanges or brokers will supply you with a wallet. Quick tip: if your exchange doesn't provide a wallet, you will have to use a personal wallet service to create one. Depending on whether it's a hot or cold wallet, different sorts of providers may charge fees. Cold wallets, for example, almost always levy fees, but hot wallets do not. There are a lot of wallet providers to pick from, and you can choose between two different types of custody. The term hot wallet refers to a type of crypto storage in which the private keys to your assets are protected by internet software. Unlike hot wallets, cold wallets, also known as hardware wallets, store your private keys on offline technological equipment. Cryptocurrency can also be purchased in a variety of other methods. When it comes to purchasing cryptocurrency, you'll also have a variety of additional possibilities. PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo have all increased their approved payment choices in the last year, allowing you to purchase, trade, or keep cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. You can also enter the crypto ring using the following vehicles. Bitcoin trusts. A conventional brokerage account can be used to purchase Bitcoin trust shares. These products essentially provide individual investors with access to cryptocurrency via the stock market. Though Bitcoin ETFs are still pending approval from the Securities and Exchange Commission, two Bitcoin mutual funds have launched: the Bitcoin Strategy Pro Fund, BTCFX, and the SIBO Vest Bitcoin Strategy Managed Volatility Fund, BTCVX. Stocks or ETFs in blockchain firms that specialize in the technological component of crypto and crypto transactions are another way to indirectly invest in crypto. Another alternative is to purchase blockchain-related equities or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Overall, you'll have a plethora of choices for incorporating crypto assets into your portfolio. However, the best solution for you is determined by your objectives and risk appetite. Is it a wise investment to put money into cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrencies come with a slew of benefits. For starters, you can purchase them at any time, unlike traditional stock markets, which are open from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. ET. Prices change by substantial percentages on a regular basis, allowing you to profit handsomely if the price swing favors you. Cryptocurrencies are a speculative investment because of their volatility. Even more passive crypto strategies like staking aren't fully risk-free, and virtual assets aren't completely safe from cyber attacks. Finally, many exchanges have geographic constraints, which means that they don't service residents of specific states due to regulatory requirements. Make sure your exchange is available in your area before you get started. In terms of money, when it comes to purchasing and trading cryptocurrencies, you'll have a variety of alternatives, including crypto exchanges, online brokerages, and even payment services. In most circumstances, credit or debit card deposits, ACH transfers, or wire transfers can be used to fund your account, though many exchanges also accept crypto deposits. However, it is critical to select the best cryptocurrency exchange. When it comes to buying cryptocurrency for the first time, you have a variety of options, from online brokerages like Robinhood, TradeStation, and Webull to crypto exchanges like Coinbase or Gemini. After you've set up and financed your cryptocurrency account, familiarize yourself with the various forms of trading orders, as they might affect the ultimate price you pay for various assets. While crypto asset storage isn't required, it can help protect your valuables from cyber attacks and other risks. We hope you enjoyed watching and listening to this video. Please let us know your opinion in the comments area below. If you found our content useful, please like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more crypto-related contents.